FDA Registration Assistance presents the U.S. dietary supplement market is one of the largest and fastest growing markets in the world. Every year, thousands of companies launch vitamins, herbal products, sports nutrition supplements, and wellness brands targeting American consumers. But before selling dietary supplements in the United States, there are important FDA requirements every company should understand. Whether you're a US-based company or an international manufacturer, knowing the rules can help you avoid costly mistakes and build a stronger foundation for your business. FDA defines dietary supplements as products intended to supplement the diet. These products may contain vitamins, minerals, botanicals, herbal ingredients, amino acids, or other dietary substances. Dietary supplements are regulated differently than conventional foods and prescription drugs. Understanding that distinction is extremely important when bringing products to market. One of the most common misconceptions is that FDA approves dietary supplements before they are sold. In most cases, FDA does not approve dietary supplements before they enter the market. Instead, manufacturers and distributors are responsible for ensuring their products comply with applicable FDA regulations. This includes product safety, labeling requirements, manufacturing standards, and marketing claims. Understanding this difference is one of the first steps toward building a compliant supplement business. Most dietary supplement manufacturers are considered food facilities under FDA regulations. That means many manufacturing facilities must complete FDA food facility registration. This requirement applies to numerous domestic and foreign facilities that manufacture, process, pack, or hold dietary supplements intended for the U.S. market. Foreign facilities must also designate a U.S. agent as part of the registration process. FDA registration assistance helps supplement companies complete FDA registrations and maintain compliance. Labeling is one of the most important compliance areas for dietary supplement companies. FDA requires specific information to appear on dietary supplement labels. This often includes a supplement facts panel, ingredient declarations, serving size information, net quantity statements, and responsible company information. Even small labeling mistakes can create compliance concerns and expensive packaging revisions. Another major area of FDA compliance involves product claims. Many supplement companies accidentally create regulatory problems through marketing language. Claims suggesting a product can diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease may cause FDA to view the product as an unapproved drug. This includes claims made on labels, websites, social media, Amazon listings, and advertisements. Understanding proper claim language is critical for reducing regulatory risk. If dietary supplements are manufactured outside the United States, additional requirements may apply. Foreign manufacturers often require FDA food facility registration and a U.S. agent. Importers may also need to evaluate obligations related to supplier verification and import compliance. Planning ahead before shipping products can help reduce delays and compliance challenges. Selling dietary supplements successfully requires more than great branding and marketing. It also requires understanding FDA compliance requirements. That is why supplement companies around the world trust FDA registration assistance. Our team assists with FDA food facility registration, U.S. agent services, dietary supplement label reviews, import compliance support, and broader FDA regulatory guidance. Since 2013, we have helped companies in more than 135 countries prepare products for the U.S. market. If you're planning to sell dietary supplements in the United States, understanding FDA requirements should be part of your launch strategy from the very beginning. Contact FDA Registration Assistance today and learn how our team can help support your dietary supplement compliance journey.